Hello all, this is Keerthana, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. Today I am here to present a lecture video on the subject Commercial Law on the topic Capacity to Contract. One of the most essential elements of a valid contract is the competence of the parties to make a contract. According to Section 11 of the Indian Contract Act 1872, defines the capacity to contract of a person to be dependent on three aspects. One is attaining the age of majority, being of sound mind, and not disqualified from entering into a contract by any law that is subject. First one is attaining the age of majority. Before that, we can see the meaning of capacity to contract. According to section 11, every person is competent to contract who is of the age of maturity according to the law to which he is subject and who is of unsound mind and is not disqualified from contracting by any law to which he is subject. The first aspect is attaining the age of majority. According to the Indian Majority Act 1875, the age of majority in India is defined as 18 years. For the purpose of entering into a contract, even a day less than this age disqualifies the person from being a party to the contract. Any person domiciled in India who has not attained the age of 18 years is termed as a minor. A contract made with a minor is void, since any person less than 18 years of age does not have the capacity to contract. Any agreement made with a minor is void. A minor can be a beneficiary of contract. While a minor cannot enter a contract, he can be the beneficiary of any one. Section 30 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 also specifies that while a minor cannot become a partner in the partnership firm, the benefits of the firm can be extended to him. Contract by guardian. Under certain circumstances, a guardian of a minor can enter into a valid contract on behalf of the minor. Such a contract, which the guardian enters into for the benefit of minor, can be enforced by the minor. However, guardians cannot bind a minor by a contract for buying immovable property, but a contract entered into by a certified guardian of a minor appointed by the court with approval from the court for the sale of minor's property can be enforced. Insolvency. A minor cannot be declared insolvent as he cannot avail debts. Also, if some dues are pending from the properties of the minor and he is not personally liable for the same. Second aspect is person of unsound mind. According to Section 12 of the Indian Contract Act 1872, for the purpose of entering into a contract, a person is said to be of unsound mind if he is capable of understanding the contract and being able to assess its effects upon his interest. It is important to note that a person who is usually of an unsound mind but occasionally of a sound mind can enter a contract when he is of sound mind. No person can enter a contract when he is of unsound mind, even if he is so temporarily. A contract made by a person of an unsound mind is void. Third aspect is disqualified persons. Apart from minors and people with unsound mind, there are other people who cannot enter into a contract, that is, do not have the capacity to contract. The reasons for disqualification can include political status, legal status, and so on. Some such persons are foreign sovereigns and ambassadors, alien enemy, convicts, and insolvents. Hope the session was interesting and useful. Thank you.